yabande mwene songa. Oh, I say, wanaza. Oh, I say, omoyo we ali wanokati. That's it. We can't Square Church, and I don't take the invite for granted. I'm excited to see the young people. We speak in English, French, stepping up their game. Yeah.
So we're here to welcome you at Joshua Generation. Actually, you are known as the youth pastor, actually pastor for the youth. What can you tell the youth about this conference?
Yeah, I want to say thanks to Bishop Fidel. I'm excited to join the Joshua Generation. It's powerful, it's fire, it's exciting. I think Bishop has got to get an understanding about our generation, what God is doing in Foursquare Church. And I don't take the invite for granted. I'm excited to see the young people. We speak in English, French, Rwandese, Uganda, Rwandese. So, but mainly it's Jesus in the room, and it's exciting. It's exciting to see. You never know, the next Joyce Meyer, the next T.B. Jakes, the next preacher, the next David, or the next Esther. You don't know who God is going to talk to in that room. Yeah.
Okay, what should the youth expect in this conference, actually, especially from you?
Of course, I'll share my testimony. I'll sing a few songs, and I pray and praise and prophesy and whatever the Holy Spirit will lead us. It's just to say, Lord, I'm available. Let the young people come. Let the old men to come. It is Jesus' time. It is Jesus' generation. And come, let's see, and miracles will happen and testimonies will be huge after the conference. Literally, it is, let's come as many, Jesus will be there. It's not me, it's Jesus. It's Jesus. Yeah, it's not about me. It's about Jesus. So come, Jesus will heal you. There is nowhere Jesus went and he didn't heal people or change their lives. He still turns water into wine. He still raises Lazarus from the dead. He still does miracles. He still opens the blind eyes. He still raises the dead. So come, let's see Jesus.
All right, thank you. Actually, you're known as a singer. I don't know if you can sing for us just a cappella.
Which song now?
You're tired?
No, okay.
Think about it.
Which one now? Katonda yabadde mwene ensonga. Oh, I say, wanaza. Oh, I say, omwoyo we ali wano kati. That's it. We can go on and on.
All right, thank you. Actually, you're going to sing for us in the church?
Yes, I will.
All right.
Yes.
See you guys.
Thank you.
Actually, expect much.
The conference starts from started yesterday, up to
from 3 or 2.
Yes.
Till
that day it ends.
Yes.
It ends on Sunday.
Yes.
All right, guys, come on in. Let's go at First Create Church. Bishop Fidel. Jesus is going to be there, so I'll see you there.
All right.
Thank you.
See you.
Single.